Hi guys, so today I made the Snowberry Cordial according to the Elder Scrolls, the official cookbook. So this was just one bottle of inexpensive red wine, 1.5 cups of brandy, some rose hips, 12 ounces of cranberries, and a cinnamon stick. So we set it overnight and let's see what the result is. I can definitely smell the red wine, the cranberries. Not too much of the cinnamon stick.
Come on, taste already.
Hold on.
Try
that,
it, try
okay.
it, try it.
Okay.
Try it,
I haven't
it.
tried this before, okay? Not bad. It's actually pretty good.
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding.
Okay.
This is really good.
Well, drink the whole thing.